Jio Platforms, the digital and telecom arm of Reliance Industries led by Mukesh Ambani, has reportedly changed the structure of its planned initial public offering. According to a Reuters report published on May 11, citing the Economic Times, Reliance Industries has now shifted to a pure fundraising IPO instead of a structure that would have allowed existing investors to sell shares. Now that means the money raised from the IPO would go directly into Jio Platforms rather than to investors cashing out. Now earlier, the proposed IPO was expected to include an offer for sale or OFS component. Under such a structure, existing shareholders, including global investors like Meta, Google and Vista Equity Partners, could have sold part of their stakes in the public issue of Jio Platforms. Now, Reuters reported that Jio had earlier discussed a plan under which foreign investors would each sell around 8% of their holdings in the upcoming IPO. But that plan has now reportedly been dropped. Instead, Reliance is planning to sell fresh shares amounting to about 2.5% of the company's value. Now, this shift is significant because it signals continued investor confidence in the Jio Platforms. Now, if existing investors had chosen to sell shares in the IPO, it would have partly been seen as an exit opportunity. Instead, the new fundraise strategy suggests they now want to remain invested. The IPO is also expected to be announced and to be among the biggest listings in India's stock market history. Jefferies estimates Jio Platforms' valuation at around, hold your breath, $180 billion. How much is that worth? Well, at an exchange rate of 95 rupees to the dollar, you're talking about a valuation of a whopping 17 lakh crore rupees. That's almost as large as the parent Reliance Industries' total market cap. Rival Bharti Airtel's market cap is around 10 lakh crore rupees at present. Now, why has the IPO been delayed this far? Well, Reuters reported that the IPO filing, which has been, in fact, it was expected as early as March 2026, has been delayed due to geopolitical tensions after the outbreak of the US-Israeli conflict involving Iran. Now, according to the report, global investor appetite for new listings weakened during that period. Remember, Jio Platforms is the holding company for Reliance's digital businesses. Its biggest asset is Reliance Jio, India's largest telecom operator by subscribers. It is the world's second largest telecom company by users after China Mobile. But beyond telecom, Jio Platforms also houses a wide range of digital businesses and services, including, of course, the broadband, apps, cloud services, payments, streaming and enterprise technology platforms. Now, Jio's listing is central to Ambani's broader strategy of transforming Reliance Industries from an oil and energy major into a consumer and technology-focused conglomerate. However, the final IPO timeline is still awaited.